Europe needs to renovate 35 million buildings by 2030. At current rates, we'll finish in 2130. We have to break the system. Traditional renovation, weeks of noise, dust and displacement. Unpredictable budgets, fragmented workflows. That's why renovation rates in Europe are stuck at only 1% of buildings annually, while they consume 42% of our energy. DIGIFAB flips the script with maximal digitalization. High-precision scanning to produce a digital twin of the building for use with BIM. Energy renovation plans are generated for each case. Sustainable prefab modules with recycled and bio-based materials are manufactured off-site to exact specifications and delivered ready for use with minimal time and effort, reduced waste and enhanced worker safety. We aim to provide cover for 200 square meters of facade, fully renovated in just 2 days. 30% cheaper than conventional methods, 81% less on-site disruption. Meeting the nearly zero energy building standards. DIGIFAB is an EU-funded Horizon Europe project that brings together 15 partners across 7 countries, testing real solutions in Spanish, Austrian and Greek educational, residential and office buildings. Co-creation processes give residents and occupants a say in the energy renovation process, making it meet their needs and ensuring their comfort. The entire system is designed so that small and medium enterprises can take part in the wider European effort. A digital process chain that integrates multiple tools, streamlining and improving traditional construction site workflows. DIGIFAB isn't just faster renovation, it's the scalable solution Europe needs for climate neutrality by 2050. Digital precision, sustainable materials, human-centered design, all in one integrated workflow. From assessment to installation, we're proving deep renovation can be a service for the benefit of all. Ready to see the future of building renovation? Follow DIGIFAB and watch Europe transform. Join the building renovation revolution.